विसा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार। डीवायएसपी लॉरेन्स डिसोजाची वास्कोच्यान ट्रान्सफर ऑर्डर येयल्या। वास्कोन डीवायएसपी सुनीता सावंताक घाल्या। डीवायएसपी डिसोजाक निरोप दिवपाक वास्को पुलिशेन सोमारा ल्हानसो सुवाळो आयोजीत केल्लो। आर्डीक स्कोआ खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा।
Here for 3.5 years, and now I was here for the last 10 months. I want to say that I was very much happy with the performance of Rapos and all you officers who have worked over here. I would like to thank all of you all.
Sir Lawrence is known to me right from my PSI. We were at Mapsa Police Station. He was heading traffic and I was PSI at Mapsa Police Station. So our association is right from those days. He, as we have every week the crime meetings with SP, the proactive policing of Vasco subdivision amongst all our other subdivisions were always highlighted is because of number of the MV cases, number of the Chalanings, Kotpa cases, Pagaret cases, then action under NDPS Act, all were highlighted and they were topping amongst all, let me tell you. So let me congratulate them first, and I am feeling proud to join this subdivision now. And this was the uplift given by the monitoring and supervision of outgoing SDPO Mr. Lawrence. So to match to that standard, I will also have to work hard so that I can take up definitely his expectations. He also, because of his short tenure, he is outgoing. So he must have planned certain things for ongoing sessions. So I have already taken certain inputs from him in respect of this jurisdiction, having worked by him earlier, and I am a very newcomer in this jurisdiction, never worked earlier. With this background, and he having gone to Penjim, little closer to the house, and I am quite far from my house, little aggrieved of this situation. With heavy heart, I also feel that he should have headed the subdivision. I say that we are always in touch. He will be guiding me because he is, as I know right from beginning, he is an impartial man. That's what I have seen. He will give you the correct picture. I say thank you for him having given me such subdivision with Lawrence that is already flourishing.
Last time साहेबान 3.5 वर्सां आमच्या वास्को सब डिविजनाक सर्व केले आणि तितून सगळ्यान व्हडल्यो केसी, डबल मर्डरा सारके केसी आणि तेच्या उपरांत बाकीच्यो मर्डरी सगळे सक्सेसफुली हँडल करून कल्प्रिट्स नॅप केले आणि देवाच्या कृपेन आमकां साहेब आमकां परत ऑलमोस्ट एक 10 months मेळ्ळो आणि ऑल ऑफ अ सडन ही ट्रान्सफर येयली आणि साहेबान आमकां आपल्या टेनरान सगळे पुलीस स्टेशनाक बरें सांबाळून घेतले। कोणाची कितें मिस्टेक जाली जाल्यार टायमली तांणी गायडन्स दिलें। कसलीय कितें व्हडली केस जाली इमिजिएटली दीस आसूं नाल्यार रात आसूं, रातचो 3 सुद्दां साहेबान फोन करून आमकां इमिजिएटली पावा म्हणून ते धाडले आणि इतली म्हाका खुशी दिसता की साहेबाच्या अंडर खंयच्याच स्टाफांक कसले कंप्लेंट्स नासले। कितें प्रॉब्लम आसले साहेबा फुड्यान येयले काय साहेब कितें ना कितें सोल्युशन काडटालो। साहेब आउट ऑफ वे सुद्दां रिस्क घेवन सुद्दां साहेबान सगळ्या स्टाफांक एकजूट करून दवरलेली। PSIच्या पोतान कॉन्स्टेबला कडच्या होमगार्डांच्या पर्यंत कंप्लेंट्स ज्यो आसलेल्यो, लिवेच्यो प्रॉब्लेम म्हणा नाल्यार आनी कितें फॅमिली प्रॉब्लेम हे ते सगळे साहेबान बरे भशेन हँडल केले आणि तेका लागून हांव साहेबाक खूब परबी दिता आणि फुडें साहेबाचें लायफ बरें वयचें, साहेबाक बरी भलायकी मेळची हे देवा कडेन मागता। आणि तशेंच आमच्या मॅडमीकय हांव मागता की मॅडम म्हाका न्यूली रिपोर्टेड जाल्ल्या ह्या डिविजनान, तेका लागून मॅडमीकय हांव मागता की मॅडमीचो टेनर बरो येवचो आणि सगळ्यांनी तांकां कॉपरेशन करचें हें हांव तुमचे सगळ्यां कडेन मागता।